Okay guys, I have a pretty complicated modification that I need to do to this Chevy Colorado. It involves the antenna. I was backing my truck out of the garage and there's a big snow drift, and I ended up running the antenna into the roof of the garage. So I have what's called a little stubby or a stubby antenna, and I'm going to go through the modification to this vehicle. So hopefully it's not too complicated. I think we can get through this without too many obstacles. Stick around and see what happens. So this is the stubby antenna I ordered, and this is the box that it came in. Don't worry, I'll go through the unboxing here in just a couple minutes. On the back of the box, you'll see that there are instructions. There are 2 steps to doing this installation and modification. It seems extremely complicated, but I'm gonna hopefully get through this without a lot of headaches and obstacles. Let's see what happens. First, let's get into one of people's favorite things to do is unbox stuff on YouTube to see what's inside here. So let's see what we got inside this box. All right, this is exciting stuff here. Let's see what we got in this box. Okay, inside you will find that this thing was made in the United States of America. That's a good sign. It's actually made right here in Portland, Oregon area. Angriest place on earth. So I like to call it Angry Land. But apparently they make pretty good little small antennas there. Let's see what else we get in this box. Okay guys, there's this. Oh, it's called the Stubby. Make your jokes now. It's nice and tiny. Is that a stubby in your pocket, or are you just happy to see me? All right. The box here has pretty complicated instructions for the removal of the existing antenna and the installation of the stubby. Let's get to it. All right, guys, pay attention here. So what you need to do is you need to strongly grip the existing antenna and rotate it counterclockwise until it starts to unscrew. You'll rotate this approximately 7 to 8 times. Let me get this camera in here because you're going to want to see the detail on this. There you go. After rotating it 7 to 8 times, maybe 15, it breaks free just like that. Now, for the installation of the stubby, you'll line up the bolt into the hole and you'll go clockwise. Approximately 6 turns until it's hand tight and snug. Okay guys, that's the modification. So hope you enjoyed it, and good luck if you're doing this on your own.